horchata as well. It's basically tradition at this point. These tacos are just too bomb, bro. What's going on YouTube? So today's video, we do have another sneaker video. We do have the new Nike Air Max DN, which is the Dynamic Air. We're gonna go and check them out. We have the full black colorway. Retails for $160. You can get it on StockX for below retail. Personally, I don't really trust StockX, but if you want to buy it below retail, then you can buy it. This is what the sneaker is going to look like. As you can see here at the top, we do have a size 9, of course. So looking at it the first time, DN right here, all black. I like that nice little accent of red right there at the bottom, because you know I love red. So it says on this little hang tag that it is made up of about 20% recycled material, at least 20%, which is not that much, but considering it's a Nike, it's a fancy way of saying they cheaped out. That's all it is. A lot of companies are starting to be more environmentally friendly. They're just cheaping out. That's all it is. And you can easily tell that it does have recycled materials within the outer parts. Overall, I mean, it looks really good. It obviously isn't a true dark black. It's obviously a smoky color, but you can see the shoe itself. I do love these little, I don't even know what to call them. They're like rubber, but they feel nice. They look good. It's a very unique style. And then you have these 4 air bubbles, like all Air Maxes. You have this new look within the swoosh right here. I like that. And then the DN on the back. There's a comparison between, you know, standard 13s, since no one has actually shown it against another pair of sneakers. It is smaller than something like that. There's a pair of 11s here. It's about almost the same size as an 11, but it still looks smaller. Okay, you guys all came here for one reason, the 20,000 steps. So I'm going to work right now. This is a fulfillment job, and basically you run 9 miles around the store every 8 hours, basically. And that's what I did with these shoes, right? So there's just some random clips that I recorded during work, try not to get caught type of thing. But, you know, the sneakers are comfortable. No doubt in my mind. Now, during these little clips that I'm showing you, I do pick up multiple orders within the batches. Specifically during this recording day, it wasn't very busy, but I have worn them multiple times during shifts, and they just handle it with no doubt in my mind. They look good. You can tell here, you know, a little unique compared to most black shoes out there, which is nice, but here it is. So I'm picking up an order here, scanning up some stuff, grabbing items, filling up my cart, my 3-tier, and that's what I do. So I just run around the store, run around the back store, help guests, do whatever, and it's all timed. So, you know, usually you have about 40 minutes, 45 minutes on average, depending on how busy or how not busy it is. Sometimes you might get 30 minutes to do a 40-item batch, but this is how it typically is. Running around the store, fairly easy job, except when you can't find stuff. But enough about the job, it's about the shoes. Let's give you my overall first impression on the shoes. So I just finished my shift, and after 20,000 steps, I'm gonna give you a fresh review of what my feet feel like. So first of all, the right one, after 20,000 steps, it's only a little bit of pressure in the heel that I would say that I only feel, but it's not as bad as if I were to wear any other sneaker, which is good. This is probably due to the lack of arch support within the insoles, and I'll get into that later. They look really good. There's nothing too crazy about them, so they're nothing flashy. No one will say, you know, those sneakers look fire. Where'd you get them from? They're nothing super out there, you know, which is good. You know, they're not bold sneakers. They're mainly for just having all black sneakers, or, you know, different styles like this. You know how Air Maxes go, but I like them. They look better in person. In like third person, basically. Like if you look in a mirror with these look sick. So we just got back. I'm gonna show you just another little overview. So the only things I don't like is the shoelaces. I had to retie the shoelaces 3 times during my shift. So that's the only thing I don't like. I'd probably replace these. I really wish they had them similar to these shoes over here. These are a very popular work pair shoes. And these don't have, you know, shoelaces that you need to tie. They're just slip on. I wish they had that design on the Air Maxes, because that would be a whole lot easier to just, you know, throw your shoes on. to work, jog, do whatever you need to do, or just even lifestyle, because shoelaces, in my opinion, are just too old school. It's annoying having to tie your shoes. My feet do not hurt after those 20,000 steps, which is nice. I'm gonna show you the insoles real quick. So that's what the stitch work and all that is in there. And then you do have that DN logo right here on the padding. Pretty nice. That's the foam. Very thin piece of foam, I guess you could say. Insole, even on the work insoles, if you put those in, it might help a little, but the actual insole, you know, is through that technology down there. So it does work. These are true to size, by the way. It's an interesting point that they're doing recycled material. You still have those little flakes and speckles that are permanent. A good point someone made was, are these reflective? So I'm gonna go and show you that right now in a pitch dark room. Okay, so it's pretty much only my flash. They are very slightly reflective. All right, with all that being said, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, subscribe. Videos like this take a lot of time, money, and effort in order to make, and I'd really appreciate it if you guys show some love on the video. If you want to see more videos just like this, comment what type of sneaker you want me to see. Are you going to be getting this sneaker? Let me know which color you're going to get. Personally, I am going to keep this one. I just have to decide whether I want to use it for work or lifestyle. So yeah, without further ado, thank you for watching, and we out.